So in this particular unit, first we are going to learn about all the basics of cost accounting, problems on level setting and EOQ. Next, EOQ. What is EOQ? Economic order quantity. In part B, you're going to attend 2 questions which carries 10 marks each, totally for 20 marks. Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar, lecturer in Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Dear students, welcome to this very first session. In this session, we are going to know about the subject cost accounting, which is there for 3rd Sem BBA students who are studying under University of Mysore. So in this particular subject, totally we have 5 units. The first unit deals with Introduction to Cost Accounting. The second unit deals with Material Cost. Third unit deals with Employee Cost. Fourth unit deals with Overheads Cost. And the last unit, that is 5th unit, it deals with Reconciliation of Cost and Financial Accounts. So totally we have 5 chapters. If you look into each chapter, we will get an idea what and all the particular unit includes. So unit 1, it's all about Introduction to Cost Accounting. In this particular unit, we are going to know the meaning of cost accounting, definition of cost accounting, objectives, importance and uses of cost accounting, and also difference between the cost accounting and financial accounting, and various elements of cost, and also classification of cost, cost object, cost unit, cost driver, cost center, cost reduction and cost control. So in this particular unit, first we are going to learn about all the basics of cost accounting. So what does cost accounting means? And what are the objectives of cost accounting? What are the importance of cost accounting? Which are the elements comes under cost accounting? This and all we are going to learn in this very first unit. And we are also going to solve cost sheet in unit 1. Cost sheet is nothing but the total cost included to produce a product, that is called cost sheet. The total cost, what we are going to find out by putting some format and by following some systematic order, that is called cost sheet. So we are going to solve cost sheet in unit number 1. And moving on to the second unit, it's about material cost. Yes, what is material? The material required to produce the product, raw material required to produce the product, that is called material, right? So in this unit, unit 2, we are going to know about the material. So meaning of material, importance and types of materials under cost accounting, and direct and indirect material, material control, inventory control techniques of inventory control, and problems on level setting and EOQ. Next, EOQ. What is EOQ? Economic order quantity. Next, you're going to learn about procurement and procedure for procurement of materials and documentation involved in materials accounting, and also materials storage, duties of storekeeper, pricing of material issues, preparation of stores ledger account, and LIFO, FIFO, simple average price and weighted average price method. So in this particular unit, in unit number 2, we are going to know about what is material and what are types of material we have, that is direct material and indirect material, objectives of material, and how to maintain the inventory, how to maintain the material inventory, and what are the responsibilities of storekeeper, and how to solve the problems with respect to material cost. So with respect to that, we are going to solve the problem based on 2 methods, that is LIFO and FIFO. So what is this LIFO method? LIFO method is nothing but last in, first out. What is FIFO? FIFO is nothing but first in, first out. So in this unit, we are going to learn all about the material cost, and also we are going to solve the problem based on LIFO and FIFO method. So moving further to unit number 3. So in this unit, we are going to study about employee cost. So what is this employee cost? Employee cost is nothing but the payment what we pay to the laborers or to the employees. That is called employee cost. So they'll get the daily wages, they'll get the weekly wages, they'll get the monthly wages, they'll get the wages based on the number of units produced. Yes, we have n number of types of wages payment. So with respect to that, in unit number 3, we are going to study about employee cost. So in employee cost, the meaning of employee cost, types of labor cost and labor cost control, timekeeping and time booking, and payroll procedure, preparation of payroll, idle time causes and treatment of normal and abnormal idle time, and overtime causes and treatment. Next, labor turnover, meaning of labor turnover, reasons and effects of labor turnover, and methods of wage payment, time rate system and piece rate system, and incentives schemes, wholesale plan, Rowan plan, Taylor differential piece rate system problems. Yes, in this unit, we are going to study about employees cost. So what is employee cost, how we make the payment to the employees and all. And also, we are going to solve the problem based on wholesale plan, Rowan plan, and Taylor differential piece rate system. So on these 3 methods, we are going to solve the problems with respect to the payment of salary or wages to the employees. Next, with respect to unit number 4, that is overheads cost. So overheads is nothing but the expenditures. So in this, we are going to study about the meaning of overheads, classification of overheads, accounting and controlling of manufacturing overheads, estimation and collections, cost allocation, apportionment, reapportionment, and absorption of manufacturing overheads, and problems on primary and secondary overheads distribution using reciprocal service method, that is repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method, and also absorption of overheads, meaning and methods of absorption of overheads, and problems on machine hour rate. So in this particular unit, we are going to know about what is the meaning of overhead, and also we are going to solve the problems based on machine hour rate. This is about unit number 4. Moving further to unit number 5, it's all about reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. So meaning of reconciliation of cost and financial accounts, and reasons for differences in profit under financial and cost accounts, and procedure for reconciliation, and ascertainment of profits as per financial accounts and cost accounts, and reconciliation of profits of both sets of accounts, and preparation of reconciliation statement and problems. Yes, here we are going to learn about what is reconciliation of statement with respect to reconciliation statement of cost account and financial account, and also we are going to solve a few problems based on reconciliation of cost and financial account. So this is all about unit 1 to 5. Moving further, the question paper pattern. So you are going to write the exam, the main exam, for 60 marks. How much? You are going to write the exam for 60 marks. So in that 60 marks, there will be 3 parts. So part A, part B, and part C. There will be 3 parts. So part A, part B, and part C. So part A, it deals with 5 marks questions or 2 marks questions. If you are answering 2 marks questions, you are supposed to answer 5 questions. If you are answering 5 marks question, you are supposed to answer any 2 questions. So 5 into 2, that means 5 marks questions, you are going to attend 2 questions. So each question carries 5 marks, totally for 10 marks. Next, part B. In part B, you are going to attend 2 questions which carries 10 marks each, totally for 20 marks. And in part C, you are going to attend 2 questions, each question carries 15 marks, totally for 30 marks. So 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. So totally you are going to attend the main exam for 60 marks. So this is the marks distribution or the exam question paper pattern. That is part A, part B, and part C, where you will be answering for 10 marks in part A, and for 20 marks in part B, and for 30 marks in part C. Moving further, books for reference. Yes, if you want to refer the book, yes, obviously you have to refer these many books so that you will gain more knowledge about cost accounting. So these are the books you are supposed to refer. The first one by Charles T. Hogdon and Shrikant M. Datar, and also written by Madhav V. Rajan. The book name is Cost Accounting, a managerial emphasis given by or published by Pearson Education. Next one, Jawaharlal. The book name Cost Accounting and the publisher is McGraw-Hill Education. Next, the book written by Madhe Gowda J. The book name is Cost Accounting. And the fourth one, Rajiv Goyal. The book name is Cost Accounting. And the fifth book that is written by Jain SP and KL Narag. Book name is Cost Accounting. And the sixth one is Aurora MN. The book name is Cost Accounting. So if you refer these books, you will get all the information with respect to the subject Cost Accounting. So this is all about your subject, and in the upcoming classes we are going to discuss about each and every unit in detail. So until then, thank you all.